Ever notice how yawning spreads instantly? Here's why. Yawning is actually contagious, and it says a lot about you. If you yawn when someone else yawns, your brain is highly empathetic. It subconsciously mirrors the emotions and behaviors of people around you. That's why you're more likely to yawn around friends and less likely around strangers. So next time someone yawns and you do too, it's not because you're tired, it's because your brain is socially connected.